Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have the BENFEI USB-C HUB 7-in-1 Multiport Adapter. If you're looking to expand your device connectivity options, this might be the solution you're seeking. Let's dive in. Inside the box we have the adapter itself. It's compact, lightweight and designed with a sleek finish. The build quality feels robust, ensuring durability for regular use. This adapter features a USB-C connector on one end and offers multiple ports on the other. HDMI port supports 4K 60Hz video output for high-definition displays, perfect for presentations or extending your desktop screen. USB 3.0 ports 3x allows data transfer speed up to 5 Gbps, enabling quick file transfers. SD or TF card reader for quick access to photos and other media from SD or microSD cards. USB-C power delivery port provides up to 100-watt power delivery, allowing you to charge your device while using this hub. Now let's test it. I will connect the USB-C end to my laptop. Upon connection, the device recognizes the hub instantly. Let's connect an HDMI cable to a monitor. The display is mirrored perfectly on the monitor. The video quality is crisp, and the audio is transmitted seamlessly through the HDMI connection. Next, I will connect a USB drive to one of the USB 3.0 ports. The device recognizes the USB drive, and I can access the file without any issues. Let's also test the SD card reader. The files on the SD card are accessible, and the transfer speeds are impressive. To wrap up, the BENFEI USB-C HUB 7-in-1 Multiport Adapter is a versatile and reliable solution for expanding your device's connectivity options. Whether you are working from home, traveling, or giving presentations, this hub has you covered.